Neil Young quit Spotify because of Joe Rogan. These artists have now followed his lead. Have you been keeping up on this list, Ben? Now we're in Vin's wheelhouse.
Uh-oh.
Look at him smirking. Put his camera. Look at him. Just hold the camera. Right
I went
there.
so deep last night. I can't
Nice.
even go near any of it. It's
Yeah. Go on.
But,
yeah.
wow. I mean, who are they?
Come on, Vin. It's Taylor Swift. It's over.
No.
Drake.
It's okay. You got Joni Mitchell.
Oh, I knew that one.
Vin.
What?
You got Joni Mitchell. You got
Heard him too.
Niles Lofgren.
Yeah.
You have Brene Brown.
No idea.
You have Wendy Zuckerman and Blythe Terrell.
Podcast or
She's podcasting in the kitchen.
Science versus.
Yeah. You have India Ari.
heard.
You listen to some of that music, Ben?
Familiar.
You have Graham Nash. Yes. Crosby, Nash.
So then just him.
No. The others
whole-
are in there now too.
Oh.
Crosby, because they used to collaborate with Neil Young.
Yeah.
Quite a bit, you know. You have Roxanne Gay. There you go. David Crosby and Stephen Stills. So you can see them all together. And they agree. They're with Neil Young. They say, we're out of here.
It's not there yet.
It's not there yet.
No, you need more than that.
Well,
We all said, everyone said the tweet that was going around is Taylor Swift can end this man in 1 minute. That was the tweet that was going around. That she was the key to the castle of Spotify. Oh, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle.
There's some specation here.
Yeah.
They
Foo
didn't
Fighters.
There's whispers.
Foo Fighters.
That
Yeah.
I don't know. Why do is it just that they're a little more recent? Like, I guess collectively they start to represent some sort of share, but my understanding was Spotify wasn't. I read this in regards to Neil Young, depending on the individual agreement and the record label and all the people sharing in the proceeds. I know everyone's been made aware of the fact that the artists are not really making that much per stream, especially smaller artists. But you got to remember, inside of these deals, you got Spotify, then you got the labels and managers, and it's divvied up in so many ways that I read that Spotify, in some cases, does lose money on some streams to help bring people to the platform to try to generate subscriptions. And then in the case of Rogan, there's been all kinds of upside from an advertising perspective, all kinds of revenue generation opportunities. And so you have to wonder if at some point they're doing this cost-benefit analysis. They're saying, okay, we lose this, we lose that, and how much they can actually afford to lose or how much this does impact their business. Their stock price is down, so the negative sentiment would have some sort of impact at a point. But we all seem to agree here that you kind of need the current pop heavy hitters to join in before it feels like something else could happen. And then, of course, we recently covered Rogan's video that he posted to social media in which he kind of said, hey, let's put this disclaimer, and same with the CEO from Spotify. So at the same time, they're making adjustments. Mo wants to say something. Go ahead.
I'm just listening to you.
No. Vin, have you kept an eye on chat at all this entire episode? Make sure everything's okay over there.
We had a few people say shout out to the show. Some people wanted to point out
My hat? Brixton?
Oh, all right.
Yeah, it's Brixton.
Okay, good. As long as everything's good, no technical difficulties. This is a live.
No technical stuff. People have been super chat.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah. Shout out to everyone.
Shout out
Well,
to. Go ahead.
I could do it at the end or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
All right.
I'd like
so
to
we got.
acknowledge everyone. I'm not
Go ahead. Acknowledge. Just click on it, Vin. Acknowledge, man.
right now. There's a
Just
why don't
bans
you
everyone.
Oh, I know.
Don't ban anybody, Vin. They don't deserve it. It's a very healthy and understanding and open community right here.
Dark tip, $5.
Is there a message or that's it?
Hold on.
Shout out. Vin's still figuring out this Google thing.
Hello,
He thinks it's a
been
bit of a
long-time
fad.
listener. Keep up the great work.
Oh, thank you so
Yeah.
much. We appreciate it.
Hold on.
This is what Pete was signed up
Joe
for.
Tech.
What do you
Ask
got?
will do about. Oh yeah, we'll got that.
Okay.
$5.
Vin's fascinated at the super chat feature.
Ryan, keep this daily show up, guys. Heart.
Okay, back at you.
Okay.
Thank you so
$2.
much.
Yeah.
Will's moving it now. There's
Christopher Rodriguez.
All right.
Oh, I'm getting it all in now for Hi guys, Uncle Lou, Will, Jack, Mo, Kirk, and then $2. And then hold on.
$2.